Hello everyone, my name is Yuxi Wang and welcome on our board. I'm the acupuncturist and today is the seminar and let me tell about the acupuncture. First, I should introduce myself. I'm Yuxi Wang. You can call me Dr. Wang and Yaki. And I'm the Chinese acupuncturist. I studied at China and Hong Kong for almost 6 years, and then I worked in Shenzhen Hospital and Hong Kong Clinic for 2 years. It's my experience, and I have treated for 248 foreigners. The reason that why I study acupuncture is my mom. When I was young, my mom always take me to the hospital, to the Chinese hospital. I drink the herb when I was young, and my mother do the acupuncture many times. So when I was young, I know that I must study acupuncture. I love this and I think it's very interesting. Mm. So when I read for the college, I studied acupuncture and Tuina. And yes, I studied it. Yes, I think I studied it well. It's okay. Uh, and then I studied for the master's degree in Hong Kong University, and I think it's very interesting. Mm, and and now I do the acupuncture on the cruise ship. I think I can do this well because on the line, many customers just do the acupuncture once a week or twice a week or once a month, and it's not very effective. But now I can treat for you 5 times a week and seven times a week, and in the cruise ship your muscles feel very relaxed, and when your body feel relaxed, you can have a better treatment. Okay, now is the second one. Chinese medicine. Do you know that Chinese medicine is one of the fastest growing medicine in the world today? And the main reason for this is because it works. Um, uh, Long time before in our history in China, many people use the Chinese herb. And now we also have the Chinese herb. It's easily resolved by conventional methods such as acute and chronic pain. We can use this to treat many problems. Totally, it maybe has the 100 problems. So does anyone here have the pen? You know that the main reason why people do the Chinese herb, use the Chinese herb or do the acupuncture is because that the pain medications have side effects and the surgery is risky and have limitations. This is why acupuncture has been known for us. It has no side effects and it's very safety and it has no risky. The more you do the acupuncture, the healthier you will have. Okay, so this is why the leading medical hospital use the acupuncture into their healthcare setting. Okay, so let me talk to you about the third. Improve your wellness. Uh, I I don't know if you know that the acupuncture can treat how many disease. It's almost it can treat 100 conditions. For the head, for the heart, for the back, for the weight, and for all of our body from the head to our toe. So it's great thing about that acupuncture can treat so many places and so many disease. On our head, Acupuncture can reduce the number of monthly measurements. Uh, I think we can't find the best way or the better way than acupuncture to solve these problems. For the heart, we also can treat our insomnia and the stress and the lower blood pressure. For the back, it's all okay. It's the pain problem. You know that acupuncture can treat the pain problems very well, right? For the weight, it also can help boost our metabolism and our digestion, and can reduce the water weight. Okay, so it's very useful, right? Then for the first one, it also can treat so many problems because, for example, our mood, our sleep, nose, throat, and menopause, the women's problems, right? Mm, you know that it's just one part of the disease. We can treat so many diseases. For the mood acupuncture, and that we can regulate the happy making of our brain, and for the sleep, it can asso- uh, associate with relaxation and sleep. It can help in our insomnia sufferers sleep better. And most of us, when treat the acupuncture, we can fall asleep. It's so comfortable, and when you do this after when you sleep, you can sleep very well. And you think that is so comfortable, right? But for our nose, if we have the seasonal injury sufferers, the research shows that acupuncture session can reduce symptoms and reduce use of the medicine. For our throat, it also can reduce our stomach problem, and it can it can do this very well. Okay, for the last one, the women's problem, the menopause, acupuncture and Chinese herbs can ease the frequency and the severity of hot flashes for up to 3 months after treatment. Probably it can help to regulate so many problems. For the fifth one, let me see. How does acupuncture work? Now I'll tell you about the resistance problem. As you can see, acupuncture works well for a wide uh, variety of conditions. But how does this 3,000-year-old medicine actually work? Okay, let me see that. It can immunity augmentation, and acupuncture can boost in immunity. And for the second one, it's our endorphins. Acupuncture stimulates the secretions of endorphins in the body. These are your body's natural painkillers for 10 times stronger than anything. And for the third one is the neurotransmitters. Hey, you know that? This one is the reason why acupuncture is so good at treating things like insomnia, like anxiety and depression. And for the first one is the circulatory. Mm, you know what is this? Because acupuncture can increase the circulation by causing station, and this can help healing by the blood flow to the area of the injury. For the last one is the gate control. Acupuncture can close the certain nerve gates by this with impulse, and this can reducing pain transmission. This is all why how does acupuncture work? This is the way you find out the reason. Now, now let me tell you about the needle. I know that for you all, why you don't do the acupuncture is because that you think it's no safe and it's pain and you don't believe this, right? Okay, now let me tell you about this. For the first one, you know that it has been 3,000 years old in China. And in China, we do the acupuncture for everyone. And for me, when I was young, when I was just 5 years old, I know that acupuncture, and my mom used this to treat her neck neck problems. Her neck is some pain, and just for 1 month, uh she don't have any problems. I think it's so fantastic. Okay, and you know that this needle are just a side of a hair. And we use 10 needles. It can fit into the tip of the injection needle. The needles are so thin and it's just like a gentle tap on our skin. When it's inserted into our body, it doesn't feel like a needle at all. Many people fall asleep when doing this. It feels so relaxed and comfortable. Maybe you should try one, and you can know this. Uh, so now can I get a volunteer? Does anyone want to try this? Because it's the similar. I just put one needle. You know that I just put it in your arm. It's not pain, and you should try this. Does anyone want? Mm. Okay, I just use this to show you acupuncture is no pain, but we just put one needle, so it can't have the have the effective, that. Uh, okay, so let me try you. Okay, I'll stick it in your area level. Okay. Okay, so how you feel? And you can see that it has no blood, it has no pain, and it has no breathing. Thank you very much for your volunteering. Can everyone give our volunteer a round of applause? It's so good, right? Okay, and then the treatment experience. Well, that acupuncture treatment includes a complete health assessment, the herb solution and treatments. Chinese herb are available in the world, and it can treat very well. If we use the Chinese herb and the acupuncture together, we can get the surprise. It can treat very quickly, and you can have the healthy body quickly. Okay, and then this is some of the conditions that the acupuncture can treat. It's just about 50 symptoms. You can see that our depression, our insomnia, the smoke, the weight, and all of our problems, we all can use the acupuncture to treat. If you have any problem, please come to my side. Okay, so for the last one, does anyone have the questions? Because today is the seminar, so I can give you the free health consultation. You know that in the line it has been $60. So you are so lucky today. If you're interested for it, please come to my side and I'll give you the one-on-one talks. Thank you, I'm Dr. Wang. You can call me Yuxi Wang and Yaki. Thank you for everyone.